You know, I'm a big believer in custom is the way to go. Custom is definitely better than stock. It gives you that appreciation factor and more uniqueness. Let's be honest, vehicles are very expensive these days, so why not make it the best it possibly can be so you can enjoy it to the fullest. We have a beautiful 2022 race red, you know I'm pumped about it, Ford Ranger Covert Edition. Let's go. Stock number on our Covert is NLD 06307. Paul's here for all of our great options, and they are a bunch of them. Let's get after it. You know, Real Deal is all about the race red. It just has that sporty performance inspired vibe to it from the get-go. And we do our Covert package, we're money setup. So Go Rhino Raptor style running board, the RB20. This is not the powder coated finish on them, but these are the J1s carbon fiber. What you know about that, y'all? Had to represent today, as always. Be custom, be unique, life is better, I promise you. We have the 3-inch ready lift level kit up front, which enables us to incorporate a money wheel and tire combo in the Toyo AT3 and 285 7017 and a great KMC wheel. KMC's done a great job of offering more off-road segmented wheels, and the impact in 17 by 8.5 is just a ticket for it. I love the multi-spoke. It has a great design, and actually Albert, a new employee with us at Willies, was able to build this one, so much props to Albert for doing a great job on this one. Leveled out, rolling clean. Out back you can notice the different color on the bumper. We took the chrome away and the blue and did that same exact color from the bumper up top there with the red correlating all the way around, and a nice Akins liner guarantee for life. The Sport 4x4 gives you no chrome, essentially it's set for your emblems, but love this option here as well. On the hood, just much like the white one that we did earlier, did a matte black wrap on the hood as well as the roof. So yes, we do wrap, y'all, and it makes a big difference overall as far as how things look and feel and are protected. And then up front you can see that the Ford emblem did the flip-flop of it, did just the red on the Ford script, and did that same stone gray color that the lower portion is. So it has a great balance to it, and the Rangers, y'all, are much underappreciated. They need more love from us. That way we can show you how capable they are as far as an off-road vehicle, but also a great everyday driver if you just don't need a full-size truck. So a race red XLT Covert Edition. So before we end this, I just talked to Travis Dick, longtime employee here. I love Travis, y'all. He's been a great one here for Akins long before I was even here. So we have great people here. That's the biggest thing, y'all. It's not just about Real Deal. I mean, you're gonna know about Real Deal, but it's not just about Real Deal. Mr. Akins, phenomenal guy, the leader, and it trickles down from there. So many great people that are part of this store that makes me say and can preach to y'all that this is the premier place to upfit, buy, accessorize, or service your vehicle. We got it all taken care of right here in Winder, Georgia. So with wholehearted confidence, you can trust in Real Deal when I tell you that. Another great Covert. Let me know what you think about this one and what you want to see next. You know I'm all about it. Let's go.